What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be giving someone a free sound fruit, and they're going to be like lowish level. So I'm going to be giving them free sound fruit because I cannot store the fruit because I already have one. I don't have 2 times storage, sadly. Uh, and pretty much I already have everything that they can trade for me. So here we go. Oh, but no, he just left. I guess we'll give it to this guy. Hey, stop running away. There we go. There we go. Gave him the free sound fruit. Don't forget to like and comment down below. And he enjoyed that present. So subscribe. And see you guys next one. Peace out.